I want to mention, since we're talking about a year-to-year program, so let's say we are doing a quick a long data, we can use a user variable or user variables. What is it? Is like a parameter. You can use the at symbol, and then you use any name, year, it's a year date, and we have to set it. So what you do, you set it, and the same name has to be the same name. You set it, year date. Oh, careful here. We got the two at symbol. When you get two at symbol in MySQL, that's mean you're using like a generic program interface program variables. When you use one at symbol, that's a user interface variables. You see, that's when you set up yourself. So that's why it's only once. And then we call it 2007. Again, I'm keep on using MySQL. For Postgres, it's a bit different. So Postgres, you have to MySQL, you just use simple. That's why I use it in MySQL, because it's simple. But in Postgres, you have to set session, and then you have to use it. It's the same thing in MySQL. All the time the session is on, it will, or you can use it, can we use it all the time the session on, but only for the session. So you have to set session as you did, and then you have to call it on the session and your code and Postgres. And if I'm doing in Postgres, obviously I won't do this because like that's too much to do. I won't do this in Postgres, mostly in SQL and MySQL. But if I have to do it in Postgres, I'll use a CTE. So I will do like a CTE with constant any name you want to, as let's say then you, and within the CTE you have to set the value, whatever you want. You can select let's select 2008 or whatever as date. You have to it's kind of, Postgres is different. So you have to be more careful with Postgres because you have to select the format. This is a date, so we use date, and then we do the query as usual. You do the query, select from where, and on the where clause you use the date variable you set up. So too much to do in Postgres. I won't do it. I'm barely doing it in Postgres, but in MySQL, definitely, because it's simple. The idea is make it simple when you have large queries, different CTEs in a function, and then you have to go ahead and change variables anytime you want to run your query, so it's easier to reuse that way.